Welcome to Grow Green Barbados. I'm your host, Dr. David Bino, organic agronomist, economist, and sustainable development specialist. You know, I'm passionate about greening Barbados one household at a time. And what better way to green Barbados than to grow your own food, be able to cook it, and at the same time build some cohesion among the community. And this is exactly what this series is about. We're seeking to educate Barbados how to grow food in limited space in an environmentally friendly manner, but at the same time how to prepare that food and how to come together as communities and share and grow together. That's what we're doing, and we can grow green together. But we're not just growing green, at the same time we're saving money, we're generating income for persons who may grow more at home, but we are building community spirit. Join us and grow green together.